Hi. Angel, congratulations on your 15th anniversary. Here, come here and give me a hug.
Thank you.
Oh, that's
So
great.
happy to be here with you. Thank you.
We have to talk about our beloved Jean Bice.
Which we will quite a lot.
And how she was discovered. And I think you're going to be able to relive that. And then we're going to talk about how Angel got discovered and got to continue her wonderful passion and mission of making us all smile, more important than ever.
Agreed, and thank you. Yes, and so the fun part is that a lot of the new today are reminiscent of things that you might remember from decades ago. Reminiscent, like a notion.
Yeah.
A little notion of something or other. So super excited to get started.
And this is the time of the year when we're ready for, yes, those are white pants that I'm wearing. We have spring and summer preview. So we are really excited. There's a picture of you and Jean.
So this picture was taken when we announced that I was coming on board to be on air with Jean, with the Quacker team, you know, doing those shows where she couldn't come up from Florida and stuff. And so there was an article in the QVC magazine that we used to have.
The QVC Insider.
QVC Insider, yep. And so I have that picture framed. And in my office,
Oh, how nice that you have that picture. I love it.
It's so
Hi,
good.
Luann. Nice to see you too.
Yes, it's OG.
OG Day.
The original
Is that
gals.
old girl or
original gals? How about original gals?
Okay, I like that. All right, let's get started because there's 7 new. Your favorites are returning. So much to shop for. Sale price on this as we get started. It's going to go up at the end of the day, so I want you to realize that.
Hey, Pat.
Yes.
The entire Quacker closet is on sale today.
Is it really?
The entire Quacker closet is on sale on QVC.com. And I'm like, I only say that because I saw it on .com. So I don't not to steal your thunder, but it's today only.
No. Steal my thunder, my friend.
Okay.
This is a team job.
I don't want to get in trouble.
All right. You won't get in trouble. We won't let you get in trouble.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
All right. It is all on sale. So anything you want in Quacker, whether we show it to you here on the air or whether you go to QVC.com, on sale. Charge. Here we go. All right. This debuted just a couple of days ago, actually. It's on sale, saving you $6. Over 500 already ordered. Double extra small through 5X. Loving this new charming kind of division, if you will. It's an embroidered print. It'll come in 3 different colorways for you. And the sale price, as I said earlier, is going to go up at the end of the day. So let's do some shopping. That is shadow pink.
So that's so pretty.
Oh. Gorgeous.
And if you're thinking to yourself, shadow pink, I've heard that before. Why, yes, yes, you have. So just keep that in mind. It's a new color to our palette this year.
It's so pretty. It's perfect. Wait till you see it on Luann. She looks gorgeous. And then here's your sky blue with your dragonflies. Look at this. That, I don't know who thought of this, but this is so cool.
It's very cool. Well, I will get into that.
Okay. Oh, look at this. For St. Patrick's Day, you'll own this forever. This is ivory with all the St. Patrick's Day and the wonderful charm.
Yes.
All right, my angel.
So, well, let's first look at the name. Embroidered Prince Charming. There's no printing on this.
Okay.
It is, the details 100% embroidered. Okay, I just don't want anybody to get confused because we like alliterative names.
Okay.
You know, we like names that rhyme and that roll off the tongue, but challenge the hosts. And the solo host when I'm by myself on QVC2 sometimes. Poor Monifa this morning was like, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, we do that for you. We do that purposely for you. But Jean Bice, of course, like many, many years ago, was working with the design team. And she was like, Susan, just give me a dangle. I want a dangle. And so for years we had that top.
Yes.
19806 something, right?
Wow.
That's finally now on clearance. But we had that for so many years and we started doing the dangle. So this is like a reimagining of that. 60% cotton, 40% polyester, V neckline, 3/4 length sleeves, and that incredibly detailed embroidery of clover, shamrocks, fireflies, or I'm sorry, dragonflies and daisies. Now, Jean loved daisies, so you'll see a lot of daisies sprinkled in the show today because they're the happiest flower, of course.
And look, the daisy dangle is a daisy with a crystal in the center, and there's even beads where it attaches. Can I still wash this?
Yes, I believe your card says machine wash.
Yes, it does.
Does it say like
it says tumble dry? I turn it inside out.
I wouldn't. Kalani, I'm so happy to see you. Yay! I'm sorry, it is OG day. It is OG day here. I would turn it inside out. For this, personally, me, I would put it inside of a lingerie bag or an old pillowcase.
Okay.
Wash it cold, delicate, and I would lay it flat to dry.
Yeah.
But if the directions say tumble dry, it has been tested to tumble dry. So, you know, whatever you do you. I'm not the laundry police. I'm not going to be coming to your house, knocking on your door, giving you a ticket because you put something in the dryer.
It's always better to err on the side of, you know, I'm trying to look here. It does say tumble dry low.
Yeah.
So just be careful because we don't want you to lose the charm. That's the whole point about this.
Exactly.
The fit on Luann is perfect.
Yes.
We're going to be talking about these jeans, the really fun jeans that you have on.
I know, so excited.
I love it. I like the jacket that you're wearing
Thank
as well.
you. I thought for sure you were going to wear this.
I know I would have, but they didn't pull
sure.
it for me. So
Okay.
I have to wear what I'm allowed to. All right, so here is shadow pink, sky blue, and ivory. Decide what you want. It's under $50. And I will tell you, because Jane Brown always says this, our dear friend, you know, the quality of the cotton and poly, 60 cotton, 40 poly is worth it. And all the other thing is a bonus. That just debuted a few days ago. Thank you.